Greetings everyone. In this video, we are going to see the preparation of Uttar Karnataka special dishes.
Hello everyone, I am Vinayak M. Ganachari, pursuing MBA at BIMS College, Bagalkot.
I am Anupama, I am from Bagalkot.
I am Deepa, I am from Bagalkot.
I am Seema Balagam from Bagalkot.
Let's begin the first dish, millet mix peda. The ingredients required are dry fruits, ghee, jaggery and mixed millet powder. So let's begin the dish with the very first step with lighting the stove. Now in kadai, let's add ghee, dry fruits and fry it for 2 minutes. And in the same kadai, let's add the millet powder and little bit of ghee and fry it till it turns dark brown. Mixed millet powder mainly focuses on children and adults. It helps them gain proteins, strength and helps children in growth. Consumption of millets help preventing of onset of diabetic patients. And now for the jaggery syrup, let's add jaggery in the vessel and add little bit of water in a vessel according to its requirement and stir the jaggery and water till the right consistency. Now let's add the crushed cardamom seeds which will give the smell and taste to it. Now let's transfer the fried millet mixed powder to the jaggery syrup and stir it well. Here we are required to stir the mixture well and apply ghee on the plate and spread it evenly and transfer the mixture to the plate and spread it evenly and add dry fruits and dry coconut on it. After cooling down, let's cut the cooled peda into square shapes. Next, let's move on to the preparation of saji roti. Now let's boil the water with salt and turmeric and mix it with the millet mixed powder and make a dough. The preparation of the dough is done in a very different and unique way. Each and every bit of the dough is smashed evenly and make it a soft dough. Now light the stove and bring the pan and heat it to a medium and make the roti by putting pressure from the hands and lay some sesame seeds on it and fry the roti on the pan by using little bit of water with the cloth, applying it evenly to all the sides. After roti, for the preparation of organic millet baji, the required ingredients are organic millet, groundnut, tomato, coriander leaves, green chilli, onion with oil, red chilli powder, turmeric, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt and garam masala. Let's begin the preparation with adding oil to it. After 2 minutes, let's add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Now let's add onion and green chilies to it and fry it for 2 minutes till it's turned dark brown and add tomato to it and fry it for little time so that the tomato gets cooked and add salt, turmeric, garam masala and mix it well. And at the last add coriander and organic millets. Here comes the preparation of last dish, roti masala mix. The required ingredients are coriander, green chili, carrot, onion, tomato and a little bit of hot oil. Now for the crushed roti pieces, let's add hot oil, onion, tomatoes, carrot, red chili powder, salt, garam masala and mix it well. At the very last, let's add some coriander leaves and lemon for taste. These are the few special dishes of Uttar Karnataka. Thank you for watching.